everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Tazeen and I'm going to tell you few important exam tested areas about menopause and HRT. Always keep in mind that there are two types of HRT which we are usually encountering in the exam: continuous combined HRT and sequential HRT. So when to give continuous combined and when to give sequential, that is important exam tested area. So if a patient, they come to you, they are having amenorrhea, okay, and they are facing the menopausal symptoms, so you will advise them continuous combined HRT. The patient is amenorrheic, you will advise them continuous combined, so they will stay amenorrheic and their symptoms, they will be resolved. If the patient, those who are in premature ovarian failure, okay, they are having the cycles but these cycles are irregular and they present to you with menopausal symptoms, so you will advise them sequential HRT, okay, so they will continue to have the cycles and their menopausal symptoms, they will be resolved. So in cases of premature ovarian failure, in those patients who are having irregular cycles, you will advise them sequential HRT. Then there comes another exam tested area, that what about those patients who are having history of CA breast. Always keep in mind, no hormones to CA breast, okay patients. The first choice is selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs, if the patient, they are not taking tamoxifen. If the patient who has a history of CA breast and they are taking tamoxifen, then your choice would be SNRIs. Okay, if the patient, they are having family history of venous thromboembolism, they are having side effects, okay, and they are obese, in those situations you can advise them transdermal HRT. Okay, if they give you a scenario that the patient, they are having low sexual desire, loss of libido is there, so your choice would be, the first option would be HRT. If it is not there in the options, then second choice would be testosterone, and if it is also not there in the options, then your third choice would be tibolone. Okay, so all these things you have to keep in mind while going through all the questions of menopause and HRT, and this will help you in your exam. Have a very great day.